An alternative mounting method using bolts and wing nuts provides a more secure and reliable solution for fluorescent light fixtures. This method addresses the common problem of flimsy belly pan clips that easily bend or get lost. To implement this improved mounting system, you will need the following materials. Firstly, a 1/4 inch by 20 by 2 inch bolt. Secondly, a 1/4 inch by 20 lock washer. Thirdly, a 1/4 inch by 20 nut. And fourthly, a 1/4 inch by 20 wing nut. The installation process involves several straightforward steps. Step 1. Insert the bolt through the top of the fixture. Ensure that you place the lock washer underneath the head of the bolt. Step 2. Thread the nut onto the bolt. Tighten the nut securely against the lock washer. Step 3. Push the light fixture into its designated position. Allow the bolt to pass through the slot in the bottom of the fixture or belly pan. Step 4. Secure the belly pan by threading the wing nut onto the protruding bolt. Tighten the wing nut by hand until it is snug. Step 5. If there isn't an existing hole, drill a 1/4 inch hole in the center of the belly pan to accommodate the bolt. Step 6. Repeat steps 1 through 5 for any additional fixtures that need to be mounted. This mounting method offers several notable benefits. Firstly, it provides a more secure hold. The combination of the bolt and nut creates a much stronger and more reliable connection compared to the typically flimsy clips. This enhanced security ensures that the fixture remains firmly in place, reducing the risk of accidental dislodging or falling. Secondly, it enables easier handling. The wing nut is designed for easy manipulation, even in cramped or awkward spaces. This feature simplifies the installation and removal process, making it more convenient to work with the fixtures, especially when performing maintenance or adjustments. Thirdly, this method minimizes the risk of lost parts. Bolts and nuts are considerably less likely to get lost compared to small plastic clips. Their larger size and more robust construction make them easier to keep track of, reducing the frustration of searching for missing components during installation or maintenance. Lastly, this mounting solution enhances durability. Metal bolts and nuts are significantly more durable than plastic clips. They are less prone to bending, breaking, or wearing out over time. This improved durability ensures that the mounting system can withstand the rigors of regular use and environmental factors, providing a long-lasting and reliable solution for securing fluorescent light fixtures. In summary, using bolts and wing nuts to mount fluorescent light fixtures offers a more secure, convenient, and durable alternative to traditional belly pan clips. By following the outlined steps and utilizing the specified materials, you can enhance the reliability and longevity of your lighting installations.